Well, good morning, folks. Just got out of Lowe's here. I had to spend another $12 and change on hardware because today we're going to drill through the racks and then I'll put bolts through them instead of the screws. Hopefully I'll be done with my solar today. For you guys who don't know about the racks that I'm using these Werber racks. And these Werber racks, I wanted to drill all the way through, and I did, but then I found out I got the wrong bolts. You need 2-inch bolts to go through. 1.5 inches is not long enough for a washer and a nut to go on it. So this is my second trip to Lowe's. If I have to do another third one, like trip today, if I have to do a third one today, I'm telling you, it's gonna be beer time again. So I'm just taking a break right now. You might be able to see right up there, one solar panel is mounted already. I could go for another look. Let's take another look over here. So you can see right there, there's one solar panel mounted. I'm just taking a little break. It's starting to sprinkle a little bit out here, but the second one needs to go up right now, and when it's up, I'll feel such gratitude and such relief, because this is one of those difficult things, you know, drilling through a rack, putting bolts there and stuff like that. And the only other outside thing I have is the shore power. That will be pretty easy to do. Just drill a hole through the side of the van, silicone it, boom, you're done. So we'll see what happens next. All right, here's where we ended up. You can see the solar panels, and below you can see where I mounted the housing. Now on top of the housing, I have a wheel chock to force it down because I had to put this glue on here. This came with the, you know, the gland, the cable housing thing. And it's sealant, but it smells like crazy glue. And it comes out in like a small, like crazy glue, like beads, like, you know, small. It wasn't like caulk at all. So I put some on the edges. Now, I think the edges will be sufficient. It says it takes 38 minutes to set, then 48 hours to cure to normal dry, then like, I don't know, 4 eons or something to actually fix itself for normal use. I have no idea. But at least the housing's there and the panels look great. I'm missing one bolt on there because it snapped when I was doing it. But tomorrow we'll test the voltage from the solar panels, maybe do a test of the controller itself, and I don't know if we'll hook it up to the battery system as of yet, but that's what we've been doing. I hope everyone's been having a fun time watching my journey. Remember, subscribe, hit that bell for more notifications, or just hit a like and then comment. Say, Tommy, good job, or Tommy, you should have done this, or Tommy, hey, what question I have, kind of thing, whatever. Bye.